Napoleon Hill, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Hello, and welcome. I'm glad you've taken the time to join me today. What I'm about to share with you has the potential to completely transform your life. There's something powerful, something hidden, that most people are unaware of. And once you learn it, you can use it to manifest your dream life, whether that's financial abundance, deeper relationships, or an overall sense of peace and fulfillment. You see, the key to manifesting wealth, or anything else you desire, lies in a simple, yet profound technique. It's something I've taught for years, but many overlook its true potential. It's not about hard work, hustle, or chasing after things outside of yourself. No, it's much deeper than that. What I'm talking about is the hidden millionaire technique that begins within you. It's about reshaping your inner world to reflect the abundance you want to see in your outer world. Let me start by telling you this: every one of us is capable of becoming wealthy, living the life we dream of, and achieving all the things we desire. But most of us are imprisoned by our own thoughts and beliefs. We think that wealth is something we have to earn through long hours, sacrifice, and struggle. We believe that we need to be lucky or born into the right circumstances to become financially successful. But this couldn't be further from the truth. The real secret lies in how you see yourself. Your self-concept is the foundation for everything you experience in life. If you see yourself as struggling, always in need, or unworthy of abundance, then that is exactly what will manifest in your life. However, if you shift your self-concept to one of abundance, prosperity, and ease, your reality will begin to reflect that change. So, how do you use this hidden millionaire technique? It all starts with your imagination. Imagination is not just some fleeting thought or fantasy, it's a tool, a creative force that shapes the reality around you. The first step is to close your eyes and truly imagine yourself living the life you desire. Don't just think about it, feel it. Imagine what it's like to wake up in the home of your dreams, to check your bank account and see numbers that make you feel secure and free, to live each day without financial worry. Really get into the feeling of it. Feel the excitement, the relief, the joy. This feeling is crucial. Why? Because the feeling is the secret. Whatever you feel, you attract. If you can consistently feel abundant, if you can imagine yourself as already wealthy, and if you can hold on to that feeling, the world will rearrange itself to match your inner state. The key here is to persist in this assumption. It's easy to fall back into old habits of thinking, especially when the outer world still shows signs of lack. But remember, the outer world is just a reflection of your past thoughts and feelings. To change your future, you must hold steady in the feeling of your desired outcome. Every day, make time to sit quietly, close your eyes, and immerse yourself in the feeling of already being a millionaire. Do this regularly, and you will begin to notice subtle changes in your life. Another important aspect of this technique is gratitude. Now, I know you've heard about gratitude before, but let me explain how it ties into manifesting wealth. When you feel grateful, you are affirming that you already have enough, and this energy of enough draws more abundance to you. Each day, practice feeling grateful for the wealth you have, even if it's not in your bank account yet. Feel grateful for the money you're calling in, for the opportunities that are on their way, and for the financial freedom you are about to experience. Now, let's talk about something that might be holding you back: your beliefs around money. Many people have been conditioned to believe that money is hard to come by, or that wealth is only for a select few. But money is simply energy, and like any other energy, it responds to your thoughts and feelings. If you believe that money is scarce, then it will be. If you believe that money flows easily and abundantly, then that's what you'll experience. One way to shift your beliefs about money is to start affirming new ones. Instead of thinking, "I'll never have enough," start telling yourself, "I always have more than enough." Instead of saying, "Money is hard to get," affirm, "Money comes to me easily and effortlessly." These affirmations, when repeated regularly, will begin to reprogram your subconscious mind, and over time, you'll start to believe them. And as you believe them, you'll start to see them reflected in your reality. I also want to address the importance of faith. Faith is essential in this process. Faith is not about hoping things will turn out well, it's about knowing, with certainty, that they already have. When you use this hidden millionaire technique, you must have faith that your imagination is creating your reality. Even when the outer world seems unchanged, even when doubt creeps in, you must hold on to your inner conviction that what you desire is already yours. One of the most powerful ways to strengthen your faith is through repetition. The more you practice imagining yourself as wealthy, the more real it will become to you. And as it becomes more real in your mind, it will become more real in your life. You must become so familiar with the feeling of abundance that it becomes second nature. And when that happens, wealth will show up in your life in ways you can't even predict. Let me be clear, this is not about wishing or daydreaming. It's about deliberately and consistently imagining and feeling yourself as the wealthy person you want to be. It's about assuming the state of wealth, even before you see any evidence of it in your outer world. This is how you align yourself with the energy of abundance, and this is how you manifest your dream life. And don't worry about the how. You don't need to figure out how the money will come to you. Your job is simply to imagine the end result and feel the joy and gratitude of already having it. The universe will take care of the details. The right opportunities, ideas, and people will be drawn to you, and before you know it, you'll be living the life you've always dreamed of. Now, let's talk about patience. This technique works, but it requires persistence and patience. Sometimes, we get discouraged when things don't happen as quickly as we'd like, but remember, every seed takes time to grow. The same is true for your manifestations. Keep nurturing the feeling of abundance, keep believing in your inner power, and trust that the results will come. It may not happen overnight, but it will happen, and when it does, it will feel effortless. So, to summarize, the hidden millionaire technique starts with your imagination. Imagine yourself already living the life you want. Feel the emotions of abundance and gratitude. Change your beliefs about money, affirm that wealth flows to you easily, and have faith that your imagination is creating your reality. Be patient, persistent, and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to life. The truth is, you already possess the power to manifest your dream life. You don't need to chase after it or struggle to achieve it. All you need to do is align yourself with the feeling of already having it. Wealth is not something out there waiting for you, it's something you can create from within. So, start today. Use your imagination, feel the abundance, and watch as your life begins to change in ways you never thought possible. This is your moment. This is your opportunity to step into the life you were meant to live. The power is within you, and now, it's time to use it. Start now, and let the wealth and abundance flow into your life. Now that we've explored the powerful technique for manifesting wealth, I encourage you to take action today. What's important is that you don't just passively consume this information, you must apply it. If you're serious about creating the life you've always dreamed of, you need to start integrating these practices into your daily life. Consistency is key, and while it may seem simple, this is where the magic happens. Every day, dedicate some time to nurturing the feeling of wealth within you, and watch how your reality begins to shift. Before we wrap up, I'd like to ask you to support this channel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, as it helps more people discover this valuable information. And if you're interested in more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. By subscribing, you'll get regular updates that can keep you inspired and on track as you continue on your manifestation journey. Also, don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit from learning these techniques. Sharing this wisdom can be the key that unlocks abundance for someone else, and it helps grow a supportive network of like-minded people. For those of you who want to get deeper into manifesting wealth, turn on the notification bell after subscribing, so you're instantly notified when new, empowering content is available. And lastly, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below about your experiences with manifesting wealth or any questions you have. Your feedback not only helps improve the content but also inspires others who are on the same path. Let's create a space where we uplift each other with our shared experiences and insights. Thank you for being here today and making this commitment to yourself and your future. Your dream life is already on its way,